Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export as MP4 in DaVinci Resolve. To export a project as an MP4 file in DaVinci Resolve, you need to use the deliver page and choose the MP4 format. So firstly, make sure you have already imported your video and edited. And next is what you need to do is you need to go to this icon that is deliver. Simply click onto this deliver here. And this what you need to do is you need to place this playhead and simply enter I. And in the last again, you need to select this playhead and select O. And in the left hand side, there's this file name. You can simply type down your file name as an MP4 here and make sure your file name is as in this video. If it is an audio, you need to select to this video here and make sure you have click onto this icon that says export video and you need to select this format again. You need to go to this format and select MP4. And here you can also select for the resolution, your frame rate, and after that select browse in the top and choose where you want to save the file. As I'm going to select this download here, and after that select save. And that is it. This is how you can export as MP4 in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.